Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to do an unboxing. And I was supposed to be doing a month where I wasn't going to buy anything, but I needed some albums to move my pages from 2021 and 2022. And since I was there on the website, I got a few items, quite a few actually. So the first thing that I got, I know how to, okay. So I have these 9 by 12 page protectors, and I do love the Scrapbook.com page protectors. They're really good. This is just a page 9 by 12. My album is 12 by 12, but sometimes I have a week where I have less photos, or I have a filler page, and these were pretty cheap. I think they were like, I don't want to say the wrong price. I'll check my invoice and add it here. But I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and each one of them has 10. And these are just a regular design A, and that way I can fuse some pockets and turn it into, I think it's the D, I'm not sure, but sometimes I add either 3x4 pockets all over using my fuse, or sometimes I just do these two, or I leave this one 4x6 and then I fuse these three. So that's why I get the design A. It's very versatile. So that is one thing. I got a lot of items that I needed. So of course those were the two those page protectors were something that I needed for sure, because I am about to like run out completely. And I also wanted to try these magic mats, and these are for my big shot, and I hope this is not the one that is way too small. Oh no, it's actually the same size, but mine are super beat up, as you can see. I do want to try Jennifer Maguire's tip for making them flat and a little bit less, you know. I already cut through them, so that's not going to change, but I do needed something new, so I got 2 of these. I believe that if you get a pack of 2, it's cheaper than buying them individually, but it's always good to have a backup, especially for something like this. I love using my big shot. And these are photo flip variety, the variety pack, and a must. I had barely any of these, and I'm about to do my December daily when I'm done with my Disney album, so I'm gonna need them. I've been loving the last few collections from Pink Fresh Studio because it's very everyday. Like, these are everyday items. We do play with our Switch a lot, and then sweatpants all day, you know, stuff like that. This one is also full from some days. And again, it's very simple. Things I can use every day. Good morning, a little phone. It's really cute. You're doing great, sweetie. I love that. I tell my daughters that all the time. I love this collection, keeping it real, because it has purple. I'm always complaining that there's not enough purple in the scrapbooking world. And then we have books, which is awesome because I'm doing my book mini. And I think this was free with the purchase. I believe so. So, oh, it smells, oh my god, I love the smell of new magazine. That is so weird, but I do. Okay, and these are the bigger items. Oh, I think I just got 1 paper. And of course, the stickers. Okay, so first, And also here have the, I just got one. I almost bought the 6x6 paper pad, but I think that I just like this paper specifically, and I'm trying not to buy more 6x6 or 6x8 packs because I do already have quite a few. I also have the shipping and all the prices. Oh, the prices are not here. Okay. And more Pink Fresh Studio stickers. Again, very everyday right now. Wake me when this part is over. Oh my god. This one is from the collection Life Right Now. Binging on this. Chill vibes. Everything's super cute. Very homey. And we are in this house homebodies. We love being at home, just together watching TV. This one is also from Keeping It Real. I love this one. Everything's gonna be okay. It'll be so cute as a pin. Really cute image. Taking a deep breath. Oh my god, for real. Adulting is really hard. Life's hard. Coffee helps. All the time. Feeling moody. I feel moody. But I like it. It's not your everyday frou-frou. Everything is a blessing and everything is so beautiful and nice. Which, if you're into that, nice, but I'm too grumpy to buy those. And these are from Some Days, and I love their Puffy Alpha stickers. I think that they used to make the stickers at first for Citrus Twist. Maybe I'm wrong, but I always love them. And what's that? What's that, companies? Numbers. You see, not a lot. Just one line. Few of each. It's cool. That's all I want. Oh, this is like a something to tempt me, which I love. This collection is really cute, but I'm not making any travel albums for now. This was a freebie. Maybe I can color them. Again, numbers. You see? It's doable. But they're really cute. You can either stamp on them or leave them like that, or even use a Tombow, the twin tones, and doodle on them. And I love my basic shapes, nested shapes, and I needed a star because I think I only have one of this size and then one that is like super teeny tiny. So it's good to have many sizes, and I kept my album choice really basic, just black, 12x12 from scrapbook.com. Let me open one. Let me remove this giant box. Because it had a few things on the top, so a little bit like curves, but I'm pretty sure that the second I make this album super fat, it's gonna go back up. Oh, I thought it came with page protectors, but it doesn't, so I'm glad I got some extras. It looks good, very similar to the Simple Stories collection. It looks like it's good quality. I've never tried one of these. The stitching looks nice. Again, the only thing is like it's a little bit warped, but really don't mind it that much. Very nice, very pretty. So I thought I had less things. Now I'm ashamed. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what was your favorite thing, and I can't wait to try these magic mats. I'll let you know. And I also have a video coming up of my whole process of, you know, editing photos, printing, organizing them, putting them in the album, and that's what I needed. These albums and the page protectors really bad because I wanted to share the whole process. So I have a few bits there until I put the photos in the album. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm hoping you're having an awesome day. I'm gonna have the links below. They're affiliate links. You don't have to use them, but each time you guys use them, I get a little money back, so that is awesome. That's a great way to support my channel, and I appreciate so much to those of you who use them. Thank you so much for watching, and have an awesome day. Bye.